Hi, today I'm for review Motorola Razr 40 and I'll show you how to check battery health with Ampere app on this device. So first open the Play Store app and in the search pool enter the Ampere. So now we should get this application, that's why tap the install button and wait a couple of seconds. After that, just tap to open the app, click to yes, I agree, be closed, tap to OK, and now we could see information about battery health, and in my case the battery is in good condition. And also we got here more information like the battery health, capacity, voltage, Android version, and more other info. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe our channel.